Alright, so today we're going to be working on this couch. If you look, it looks fine right now, but if someone sits on it, you can see it bends down. It's broken under there somewhere, and we're going to figure out where, and we're going to fix it. Alright, so you can see this is where there's a crack right here before. And I just glued a piece of plywood, but it looks like cracked right here too. As you can see, there's nothing else, no other cracks like that. And this is where it's hanging low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can pry this back out. And then I'm going to see if I can just put a big piece, like a half a 2x4. I found that's one of my favorite wood glues. I tried Type On 3 and I've tried like the Gorilla, I think it was Gorilla. Rest of fixed. Come on. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Go. Go on.